Welcome back, Sunseekers. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for those who are always on the go. The Sun X50 SPF Individual Sunscreen Packets Travel Size. These little gems are your ultimate companion for sun protection, and here's why. First off, let's talk about convenience. These sunscreen wipes come individually wrapped, making them super portable and perfect for tossing into your beach bag, purse, or even your pocket. They're like your personal sun protection squad, ready to tackle those UV rays wherever you go. But it's not just about convenience, it's about performance too. With a broad-spectrum SPF 50, these wipes offer top-notch protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays. Plus, they're water and sweat resistant for up to 80 minutes, so you can splash around in the waves or break a sweat on the hiking trail without worry. And here's the kicker. These wipes are reef compliant, meaning they're free from parabens, oxybenzone, and octinizate. So not only are you protecting your skin, but you're also protecting the ocean ecosystems. It's a win-win. So whether you're hitting the beach, hiking up a mountain, or simply strolling through the city streets, make sure you've got your Sun X50 SPF Individual Sunscreen Packets Travel Size handy. Your skin will thank you, and so will the planet. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products to enhance your adventures. Until next time, stay protected and stay fabulous.